What up, everyone? It's me, Antony, and I'm here to show you the hottest tip. The hottest tips? Hottest tips. Hottest
Damn it!
The hottest tips. The hottest tips. The hottest tips. Hottest tips. The hottest tips in how to ride your scooter for how to ride good. Right, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a trick. It's called the Undercopter. The Undercopter. Undercopter. I made it up myself. It's relatively intermediate difficult. It's probably about a level 4 skill level. If you don't know what that means, you should probably check out a couple of my other videos. Undercopter is, look at me when you're filming. I'm not sure what I should say next. I'm just gonna talk about that. Okay, we'll film it somewhere else. Teach you how to do
Say it louder.
Before I teach you how to do this trick, we're gonna do, it's time for safety always. Safety is something that we've been very careful about when riding scooters, because when scooter riding, if you fall down, you never know how bad it's gonna hurt. So you need to remember the following safety tips when performing the Undercopter. You need to be in an area where if you hurt yourself, you'll be within 100 miles of a hospital. Helmets are optional, because I mean, if you fall down, what are the odds you're gonna land on your head? Seriously.
God, how the heck do you use this thing?
Damien, that's my scooter! Now I present to you the Undercopter. The Undercopter. The Undercopter. Just watch closely and try to imitate it as best as you can. You're probably doing it wrong. You're never going to do it quite as good as me, but you'll probably do it at least like kind of good. Okay, this is how you do the Undercopter. You know, well, one more time. Watch it really closely. And this is a reverse Undercopter, in case you want to try taking it the other way around. Ah, it clicked my ankle. Ow. Stop. Rolling.
You okay, man?
Stop filming.
Stop. What?
No, you're not. It's still on.
What?
It's still on. Hit record again.
I hit record.
You're supposed to hit stop.
Oh.
Okay. What? Say it again.